Hey, what's up, guys? So we had this car coming today with a crazy noise coming from the engine.
Turn the AC on. Turn it on.
So after further investigation, we found out that the AC clutch was just gone. And oh my God, we got the car in the shop and you can see all this oil. Jeez. And here I'm just showing you how to take the AC clutch off with the special tool. And right here, you're going to see how bad that clutch was. Literally nothing left to grab onto or anything. And here you can see what a new clutch face looks like and an old one. All right, so originally we were just going to change the crank hub seal because we initially thought that's where the oil was coming from, and then we started to look around and inspect more, and we noticed that the oil pan was leaking profusely. So keep watching, you'll see what we find in the oil pan.
It is the oil pan. It's just that, yeah, when it's not sealed, like, oh, yo.
I kid you not, there was literally no oil pan gasket there. There was only like this gasket maker to go around the oil pan to seal it, and they make oil pan gaskets. So we were like, what in the world?
I hate working after other mechanics because this is a shame.
All right, now we're getting to the crank hub. Major factor. You never want to lose this Woodruff key. It's that key right here. You'll see I'll pull it out. If you lose this key, your engine will not run. Your crankshaft will not be in time with your camshafts. And now we just took the cover off. And like I said, we were originally only going to change this seal, but you can see how bad it is up there. But check this out. Look what we find in the oil pan.
What the fuck is that? That just fell in the oil pan.
So at this point, I'm just thinking in my head, how the heck did this guy just drive this car here with this timing chain guide missing? How? There's no way possible that the car didn't jump time, skip time, or anything.
Oh, what the fuck? Timing belt tensioner in the oil pan? Bro. What the fuck?
Now I picked these up out of the oil pan. Now in my head, the first thing that comes to my head is like, there's no way that these are his main bearings. His main bearings for his crankshaft. There's no way. In my head, I'm like, there's no way.
What's that right there? That's gasket. But we just found all of that in your oil pan. Now let's look at the bottom of the engine and see what's going on in here. Look at this. Even this gasket in here. Oh yeah. Okay. I gotta clean this. See what's over here. I need to do some inspecting right now because.
So after further inspection, we found out those were just oil pump shims. And shims alone and not main bearings. And the piece that was in the oil pan was the oil pump chain guide, which is still a major factor. I don't even know how he made it there with that thing snapped off. Like, I'm mind blown. And right here on the left is the old oil pump chain guide, and on the right side is the brand new one.
Nice tension on the oil pump chain guide. And that one is done.
All right, so I got the oil pan back in. And oh my God, look at this transmission mount right here. This thing was blown. Oh my God, I just can't stand all this oil. But the front cover is on. Oh, God, I can't wait to power wash all this shit. Put the light up here at the top. Let's see what it's starting to look like now.
Yes. All that shit must come off.
I'm gonna make it brand new, baby.
Yes, sir.
3, 2.
Say word, that shit doesn't sound like fucking lazy right now. Yo! Listen to the wind blowing because that shit is just going so. Oh my god. Yo, that shit's not taking no noise. Yo, oh my god.
Yo, that me up for that shit,
Oh my gosh, yo, this nigga is a genius.
Yo. All right, turn it off. And there you go. Revere Auto does it again. If you guys are in the Connecticut, Derby Valley area, Bridgeport, in that type of area, just send me a message in the DM, or you can contact me by email, revereautollc@yahoo.com. Alrighty. Have a good night.